moving on to our next items of rotation. Remember your functions for doing your rotations. These functions will make it really easy for you in getting these graphed and knowing where the new points are, and also help you remember some of the things about your functions. If you're doing a 90 degrees clockwise rotation, you're going to switch the order of your coordinates, and you have to make your the x coordinate the opposite sign. So you can get y negative x. So you're going to take each of these points and just take them one at a time and do that transformation. U here is at 2, negative 2. If I switch the order and make my x the opposite sign, I get negative 2, negative 2. And that's going to be my new U point. U is going to be right there. So there's my U prime. And then I got B over here. That is the 0.50. I flip the order to get 0, 5, and I need to make the 5 the opposite sign, notice the negative. And so B is going to be all the way on this others. Whoops, just kidding. It's going to be right here at 0, negative 5. So there's my B prime. Y is at the 0.43, and if you do the transformation, you're going to get 3, negative 4. So 3, negative 4 is going to give us our new point, which is actually right there. Here, I need to erase some of the stuff. It's going to be right there. So there's my y prime, and I need to get k prime done. K is currently at 5,3. Switch the order, make the x the negative of what it used to be. So we get negative 5. We got 3, negative 5, 3, negative 5. There's my k prime, and I got my lovely shape all drawn in the 90 degree clockwise rotation. 5. We gotta do a 90 degrees clockwise rotation, so it's the same thing. So my function is actually the same thing. X, y goes to y negative x. Okay, and you just got 3 points this time. Let's start with v perhaps. V is currently at 4, negative 1. And if you do the transformation, you're going to get negative 1, negative 4. And so negative 1, negative 4 puts us right here. There's going to be my v prime. K is currently at the point 2, negative 4. When I do the transformation, I'm going to get negative 4, negative 2. Negative 4, negative 2 is right there. So there's my k prime. J is currently at negative 1, negative 2. When I do my transformation, I am going to get negative 2, 1. And so J prime is right there. I got my points, and so my shape has now been transformed 90 degrees clockwise. With the 180 degree rotation, you start with x, y, and you just make both your coordinates the opposite of what they used to be. And so we're going to take each of these points and do that little transformation. P here is at 0, negative 1, so I need to go to 0, 1. And there's going to be P prime. K was at negative 1, negative 1, and so K is going to be at 1, 1. So there's K prime here, and make a little bit more space here. So P prime's here, K prime's over here. Q is currently at 0, negative 4, so when I do the transformation, it's going to be 0, 4. There's my Q prime. And T is currently at 3, negative 2. When I make both the signs the opposite, I'm going to get negative 3, 2. So negative 3, 2 is going to give me my new T location. T prime is going to be right there. And we got our new shape. Bam. And there we go.